right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to Molar Gold Friday Market Recap. All right. So today we're going to look at what we have done throughout the week and how things have turned out on us. Okay. Good. So let's start quickly. Let's start quickly. All right. We're going to go quickly, just like that. All right. So we started the week with some kind of calls. We're expecting price in some kind of zones and all of that, right? Okay. So we started the week by saying that price should go up, all right, and drop. Price did exactly that. But what happened is that we did not get price in our zone. We did not get price in our zone. All right, we did not get price in our zone. That's basically what happened. So price started to drop right before our zone, continued to drop all the way downwards. Okay, yeah. So I started calling some cells, some cells. I think on Friday, no, on Wednesday, I called in some buys and I said, okay, we should get something like this. But unfortunately, we just did a little of that, and that was all. Okay, so we just had a little of the move, and that was all. We had this fine sell, and then price started going to the upside. So yesterday, I called this buy trade. Yeah, I called some of the buys somewhere here. I called again in the middle somewhere here. I called again. So that's basically it, right? Now, price is still going to the upside. Let's look at what price have for us. Let's see what price has for us. Okay. Now, price have actually done this move, this nice move, and guys, it's very interesting what price is doing. Okay, we love what price is actually doing. Kumi says good morning, good morning. Michael says good morning, and then Rookie Forever. I don't know that one. It says good morning. Good morning to you all, guys. So gold has actually been dancing to our tunes all the time. Now, what is gold telling us? What is gold telling us? Okay, so this is what gold is telling us. And I think I made a new analysis and I posted it. All right, even though I have already done something of that sort. Okay, good. So we're expecting that gold to continue the bull run. The reason is because we were expecting this and then price go all the way into the zones. Price did not do that. Price did not do that. Oh, okay. So price did not do that, and now it is just doing the exact opposite. All right, it's just doing the exact opposite. So, okay, I think I have to go to the 2 hours. So now price is just doing the opposite, and that's one single thing. All right, that's one single thing. So what do we have to do? What do we have to do? Okay, that's simple. Now that gold is didn't get into the zone we're expecting, and it has done that move. So that is with A, with B, with C. That's A, B, and C. All right. We're expecting it to go all the way back up, like into the zones, before we expect SL. Okay. But currently, where we are now, let's go to the current zones where we are. Okay. So with the current zones, it's likely that gold can do this one, two, three, one, two, three, like this, and then drop down, big correction before we go. Okay, it's likely that we do this. If we do this, that's superb. We're going to get this move all the way to the upside. But if it doesn't do this, that is fine. We still buy to the upside. All right. So expect them to do this move, and then they just drop. Expect it. Okay, before we go to the upside. Right? Expect it. I'm not saying that it must. Right? Just expect it. If it happens, that is fine. If it doesn't, then that's good. All right. All right. All right. So basically, that is that. That is that. Okay. For gold. All right. So what are we going to do? 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 Now, if you watch the real move, it looks like gold did this one, two, three, and then it's going to do four and five. Basically, that's what it looks like gold is doing. All right. So if they should be a kind of trade that is going to go, that's fine. Okay. But don't also forget the trend now is just buy. So gold can just take off anytime it wants to, just like it did to us. We were expecting them to get into the zone. They didn't get into the zone and they started going immediately. All right? It can also happen. Okay? So whenever you're trading, you have to you have to keep your eyes on what the market is doing. All right, what the market is doing is very, very important. So, what is the market doing now? Very, very important. Keep your eyes on that. Okay, even though you have expectations, what is the market doing is very, very important. So, keep your eyes on what the market is doing. All right. So now, yes, our expectation is that gold should do one more move before going to the upside. But what if it decide to do one like this and then start to go to the upside? So you have to. My phone went off and couldn't start with you earlier. Okay, doc. All right, all right, Dickens. So I was waiting, and that is what happened. So I just came in. I have to share, and then we start so that I don't. I was actually 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes late. Okay. Yeah. All right. So guys, this is what we have to think of gold today. Think of gold of like this, coming one more down before going to the upside. All right. But also don't forget gold can just do this, go back up. All right. So don't go and then be thinking, okay, doc says it can go, so I'm going to sell. What's the main direction? Right? I love the directions of the market. That is why usually I don't give counter trend trades. Okay, I'm not saying it's a bad trade to pick this sell. It is good trade, but don't get into it and get trapped whilst market is going that way. Okay, good. All right, so that is it. That is it for today. That is it for today. It's been a very interesting and nice week, and we have enjoyed ourselves with much signals, trades, and all of that. All right. Now it's left with we are on Friday, so it's left with us to now watch the market and then don't take too much risk on the market because market will soon be closing. All right. So we do not have to. Okay. I just saw something in the 1 minute right now. Like I told you, just like this, and then they can start going back up. All right, just like this. That's the structure, and then they can start going up. Okay, So you have to be very careful if you want to take a sell trade, right? You have to be very, very careful. All right, guys. I think that is that. So I have some few questions. Or um, Rookie Forever says that is Ola from Lagos, Nigeria. Oh, okay, Ola, my good friend. Yeah, okay, okay. Um, and then um, Emilia Kumi says, will you be live on Telegram today? It all depends on what market is doing, but I don't think I will be live. Okay, I don't think I'll be live. The reason being that I would I would love it if market was around these levels. Okay, if we're around these levels, I will be live so that I will call some buys from somewhere in the zones. All right, so that we can start buying all the way to the upside. But where market is very high, very very high. Okay, let me go back. Very high, and this is what can happen. Okay, this is what can happen. We have these guys right here position. They always position. Okay, so you have to be with them too as well. So these guys position right here. Okay, so they are positioned right here for sell, and they can be doing that for a very long time. All right, so they will short it because they think that the market already made a short here, and because of that, they should short again right here. Okay, it makes sense, but we don't want to do that. Okay, so let me do one thing right now. I wanted to do something, but it's not working. All right, it's not working. So, um, okay, it's not working. So I'll just leave it. I'll just leave it. I'll just leave it. So, guys, that's for today. Okay, if we should be around here, I would have come live so that we can enjoy a lot of buys. But where we are currently and the movement, I just don't like it. So no way I'll be coming live. No way, not at all. All right. Okay, guys. So that is that. Let's enjoy ourselves with this week. Let's enjoy ourselves this week. Anyways, my name is Dr. Mola, and for now, I'll say bye.